Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I am back with the Tulip City Air Force. My friends, we're going to have another RC battle. Today, I'm going to try and capture it in 4K. So let's get cracking. Before launching, they run through all the rules, make sure everybody has a hard hat for safety purposes, and get all the rules straight before your first launch. Today, we're actually getting a quick group photo before we start the flights.
Launching is always the hardest part. Wow. Here we go. Cut! I'm dragging it though.
Usually I chat through all this, but I'm going to just let you listen to the competitors.
Cut! Watch it! Look at the whole swarm move. Going down! Go. Cut! Down in one piece. On, Dart! Landed! Watch it on your. Is that you? first time I heard something just stuck. Without, no, something else, like a battery or something. I got one time. But this is a guy that crap. Let's go. Yes, no, I didn't get up on time. No points for getting up on time. You get points for going up and launching on time. You don't launch on time, so we always
So friends, each of these battles has 4 5-minute sections. This is only one of the sections, and unfortunately I'm going to have to cut this short at that point. Learning how to edit the 4K is taking a little bit of extra time, and I'm heading out of town, and I want to have something for you guys to see before I head out for the 4th of July weekend. Friends, I'm also going to have lots of other cool vantage points that I'll be able to share with you because we had a drone and we had actual in-flight footage. So make sure you subscribe so you can find it as soon as I post it. If you're ever looking to go to an event, remember the events are free and you can find them on the Facebook page, which I will also link in the description, and I'll have the address there as well. Friends, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a like, and if you have any questions or comments, add them below as well. Friends, if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.